Imagine you're heading to a big conference and want to book meetings in advance. The organizer gives you a list of all the companies who's going to be there, but there's one problem. There's no direct contact information of the people who are actually going to be there. Manually reaching out to each company would take forever, but what if you could automate this entire process and book meetings in advance? Welcome to my Outbound Plays video series, where in each video I walk you through one creative outbound idea and how to completely automate it in Unify. Let's get into it. Let's say I'm attending e-tail, a major retail and e-commerce conference, and that this is the sponsorship package that I'm getting with a list of all the major brands that are going to be there. Let's also say that I'm selling software to heads of marketing and that's my persona. So as you can see, outbounding all of these and prospecting into them is going to be way too time consuming. We're going to copy the company names. We're going to open ChatGPT and we're going to prompt it and say, create a table with 2 columns. Perfect. So here's our list of companies. I'm just going to copy this and paste it into a CSV. Perfect. And now I'm going to download this CSV and upload this into Unify. To upload this into Unify, I'm going to go ahead and click Upload CSV, give this audience a name, upload my sheet here. And since it includes both the company name and the website, it's going to go ahead and be able to match these for me. Great. Now the audience is here and ready for me to use. So what's Unify? Unify is an all-in-one platform for automating your most creative outbound ideas. You can take ideas like this conference play that I'm walking you through, run that as an automation for your entire sales team, and get meetings on the calendar. Not only can you use it for cold outbound, like how I'm showing you, but also for warm outbound, like taking people that are visiting your website, engaging with your pricing pages, looking at your documents, and outbounding to them as well. The smartest teams are currently using Unify to book hundreds of meetings automatically every single month. It's a really powerful platform. I love it. Taking a look at the Unify platform, this is what you'll see when you first log in. On the left-hand side navigation bar here, we have 3 sections. The first section are the people and the companies that we can outbound to. The second section are the sequences or plays or automations that we can run. And the third section are dashboards that show us what's working and what's not working. So let's go ahead and take the audience that we just uploaded and let me show you how to automate outbounding to them as a play. Let's walk through our play. When we build a play, it's essentially a blank canvas that lets us drag and drop custom nodes to run our automation ideas. The first node is always going to be a trigger. We need to choose the audience that we're going to send this outbound email to. So the first thing we're going to do here is grab our audience of people that were in the e-tail conference outbound list. And these are going to be companies. Now that we've selected the companies that are in our audience, we're going to select the prospecting block to prospect at each company, find our ICP, and route them to the sequence. In the prospecting block, I can specify to look for, let's just say 5 people at each company. I can specify whether they're people that should already be in our CRM or whether they're net new. And here's the cool part, I can specify the persona. Here's how I defined my head of marketing persona. I specified the titles here that I want to target, and Unify automatically recommended titles for me that I might want to consider. I think Chief Marketing Officer is a great one to add to this list. And I can also exclude people that don't fit this persona. So I can say I don't want to reach out to VP of sales, account executives that are at this conference that are going to be selling. Let's just add go-to-market just to be really thorough about this exclusion. Now what's really cool is that this prospecting block is only going to prospect for this persona. And if I sell to other ones, I can add them here as well. And that way it's only finding the right people for me. Finally, after it loops through each person, it's going to enroll those people into sequence. So heads of marketing are only going to get routed to the heads of marketing sequence. And if I was running this play across different types of personas, I could route them to their own custom sequences as well. Let's take a look at the sequence. We're essentially asking if they're attending the conference and saying that we're hosting an exclusive event with all of these other executives and that we'd love to invite them to be there. Pretty good, huh? This is pretty hard to resist, I think. And that is our entire conference automation play. In just a few minutes, we took a PDF of company names and turned it into a repeatable and custom outbound play that we can run for any conference moving forward. And that's our outbound play of the day. I hope this video was helpful and that you genuinely use this to automate your conference prep, especially if you're going to conferences every month or every quarter. Gotta take advantage of those leads. They're out there. We just gotta reach out to them. And now you have the tools to do that with Unify. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if this video is helpful. And if you're ready to explore automating all of the outbound motions at your company, click the book a demo link in the description, and a product expert like me would be happy to walk you through your ideas and how to bring them to life on Unify. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.